much welcome back to our channel God Creations Love. How all you are friends? I am fine. Hope for the same. Friends, today our video topic is unboxing the Parrot parcel. You mean that? Unboxing our Cory and children parcel. So friends, we have started unboxing box and you can see our chulu is taking the scissor from the bhaiya and said, please cut fast, I would like to eat first. Our parents have come to help us in cutting. Friends, now our kuhu is also come and our chulu and Mishu is talking. What is in this box? Our kuhu is climbing up on the mama's hand. And our Gauri is cutting from down to eat firstly. So friends, we have opened the box and Mishu, Gauri, Chulbul and Ku all have come. Now friends, let's see what is in that polythene. So friends, we have unboxed the parcel. Friends, this is the pallet. Supreme fruit blend flavor with natural flavor palettes. Healthy and delicious nutrition for everyday feeding. Smart palettes. It contains vitamin and essential minerals. Friends, the pallet is the mixture of fruits, vegetable and vegetable oil which your bird parrot need. Friends, in earlier two videos we have told you what is pallet. So friends, our parrots like that very much. We have ordered the Supreme pallet for them. Friends, in it there are colorful pallets in every shape. Your parrot would surely attract with it because we have told you in the toy video your parrot will attract with toy yellow or green. In this also your parrots will attract firstly on yellow or green. It has many colors. So friends, let's see how parrot looks. Friends, you can see our Gauri is cutting down from the bottom of pallet. She is very excited. You can see they have cut it down but not fully cut it. And then also come and try to eat. Friends, we have cut the packet and let's see. Friends, this is the palette. You can see. This is very colorful palette. Now we will give them. Let's see they will eat or not. Friends, now we have took out the seed and they are waiting when we give them. Friends, pallets are healthy for them. We will tell you the comparison between seeds and smart pallets. Now we are going to tell you about the smart pallets fortified with essential vitamins, mineral and amino acid seed lack. Lower in fat than most seeds to support cardiovascular and liver health. Made with real whole grains from North America's heartland. Delicious, tasty in every bite combined with engaging shapes and colors. So friends, you can see it is in very colors and shaped. Highly recommend it by leading of Avane veterinaries and specialists. This palette is fully balanced diet for your palate. Don't be afraid. Okay friends, we hope you all have understand the importance of palate. So friends, please like, comment, share us channel.